Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu lima taquluna ma la taf'alun. The basic theme of all these surahs. Admonition, censure, calling the Muslims to reassess themselves. Why your passion for jihad is decreasing? Why your fervor of jihad is decreasing? Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu lima taquluna ma la taf'alun. Why do you say what you don't practice? Your tall claims of iman, qalat al-a'rabu amanna, qul lam tu'minu walakin qulu aslamna. Don't claim you are a mu'min. But you know, claiming to be a mu'min, claiming to be lovers of Allah's messenger, ishq Rasool, taking out processions for the, birthday of the Prophet, but not following him, praising him, declaring him to be equal to Allah, committing shirk, but not following him. Claim of love, adoration, everything. Lima taquluna ma la taf'alun, kabura maqtan indallahi an taqulu ma la taf'alun. It's very big for Allah's displeasure, Allah's wrath. It's outrageous for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you say what you are not doing.